Hello and thank you for watching Creative Art Expressions with Sapphire C. In this video I'm going to show you how to do round 10 of the fingerless glove pattern. And we start with half double crochet increase like we have been doing. Placing that stitch marker and do another half double crochet in there. In round 10 we have 6 half double crochets in between those increases, so that's a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, followed by another half double crochet increase. It's 2 half double crochets in that stitch, and again you will finish it off with 23 half double crochets around. So you get to your stitch marker, and then you should have a total count of 33. So I will come back with another video for round 11. Hope this has helped you. Please comment, leave a like, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.